Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Instagram not sending photos. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening your phone's main settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management depending on your device. This will open a list of all installed apps. Find and tap on Instagram. In the Instagram app settings, select Storage. Here, tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing issues. After clearing the cache, tap on Force Stop to completely close the app. Then, restart your phone to apply these changes. If this doesn't resolve the problem, return to the Instagram app settings by going to Settings Apps Instagram. This time, select Permissions. Find the storage permission in the list and make sure it is enabled. This will allow Instagram to access the necessary storage for its operations. Next, go back to the Instagram app settings, check for updates, and ensure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. You can do this by going to the Play Store or App Store for iOS users and searching for Instagram. If an update is available, install it. So that's basically how to fix Instagram not sending photos. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.